What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs. Today I'm going to be working on the little ZX2. I'm going to have to change out the brake master cylinder, and so I'm also going to go through the bleeding process with you a little bit. So anyways, let's get into it. Bleeding this, you want to be looking down inside the reservoir and watch for the air bubbles. When the air bubbles stop, that means that it's done. take out your little screw caps. Don't take those out until you go to put it back in the car. Just take one out at a time. Do each individual brake line. And so then once that's done, you can start bleeding your brake lines the rest of the way around the car. I did get the brake lines all bled. I did take it for a little spin. It seems to be okay. They're a little soft steel, but I do know I need new pads and rotors in the front, and that should probably help because I do have new wheel cylinders and new brake shoes in the back. I've also got new brake lines on the back, so I don't believe that that is the issue at this point. But it does stop me, and it doesn't take like forever. It did pretty good on the little test drive. So anyways, that's going to be it for this little video, and I sure appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.